Hey there! Are you ready to take your seafood game to the next level? Today, I'm showing you how to make an incredible spicy stir-fried octopus that will transport you straight to the streets of Sichuan. Trust me, once you try this recipe, takeout will never be the same. You'll find all the ingredients in the description below. Let's dive into this mouth-watering dish. Let's start by preparing our octopus. If you're using frozen octopus, make sure to thaw it completely. For fresh octopus, you'll want to clean it thoroughly and cut it into bite-sized pieces. A little trick here is to sprinkle some kosher salt over the octopus and give it a good scrub. This helps clean the suckers really well. Once you've done that, rinse it thoroughly under cold running water and let it drain completely. This step ensures that your octopus is clean and ready to absorb all the delicious flavors we're going to add later. Next, we need to blanch the octopus. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Once it's boiling, add the octopus and let it blanch for about a minute. If you prefer a slightly firmer texture, you can reduce the blanching time to 30 seconds. This quick blanching helps to tenderize the octopus and prepare it for stir-frying. Once done, remove the octopus from the boiling water and set it aside. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect texture in your final dish. Now, let's move on to preparing the sauce. In a bowl, combine Korean red chili paste, chili powder, sesame oil, soy sauce, corn syrup, black pepper, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Mix everything together until it's well combined. This sauce is the heart of our dish, bringing in that spicy, savory kick. If you like it extra spicy, feel free to add a bit more chili powder. This sauce will coat the octopus and vegetables beautifully, giving them a rich, flavorful glaze. With the sauce ready, it's time to prepare the vegetables. Slice up an onion, some cabbage, and a carrot. For the green onions, cut them into 1.5-inch pieces. These vegetables will add a nice crunch and sweetness to balance the spicy sauce. If you have other veggies on hand, like bell peppers or zucchini, feel free to add them in for extra color and flavor. The key is to have everything sliced and ready to go before you start stir-frying. Let's get cooking. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and drizzle in some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the green onion and onion slices. Sauté them together for about 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften and release their aroma. Then, add the carrot slices and, if you're using them, some rice cakes. Sauté for another 2 to 3 minutes. The vegetables should be vibrant and slightly tender, adding a lovely texture to our dish.
And if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The non-stick pan I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference.
Now, it's time to add the cabbage and our prepared sauce. Toss the sliced cabbage into the pan and pour in the sauce. Mix everything together until the vegetables are well coated. The sauce should start to bubble and thicken slightly, enveloping the veggies in its spicy, aromatic goodness. This step is where the magic happens, as the flavors meld together beautifully, with the vegetables and sauce sizzling away. It's time to add the star of our dish, the octopus. Add the blanched octopus to the pan and mix well, ensuring each piece is coated with the sauce. Let it sauté for another 1 to 2 minutes. The octopus should be tender and infused with all those wonderful flavors. Be careful not to overcook it, as we want it to remain juicy and tender. Finally, let's finish off with a garnish. Sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top for a bit of crunch and nutty flavor. Serve your spicy stir-fried octopus immediately over a bed of rice, noodles, or alongside some blanched soybean sprouts. The dish is vibrant, aromatic, and packed with flavor. Enjoy the delightful combination of spicy, savory, and slightly sweet notes in every bite.